You'll never get bored when you try something new. There's really no limit to what you can do. That's a quote from Dr. Seuss. As you look forward to 2020 and beyond, reach high, do something new. Take your life and your business to places they've never been before. It's amazing what can happen in 10 years. And almost everyone overestimates what can be done in 30 days. But the opposite is true. Everyone underestimates what can be accomplished in 5 years, let alone 10. That's a long time. December 31st, 2009, 10 years ago, I was still in the corporate world. And 30 days later, my status was rocked. The Great Recession finally made its impact and my company decided to move to Dallas. I had 10 months to figure out what I wanted to do. And I began my coaching practice in December of 2010. In the last decade, I became a coach to entrepreneurs. I learned and studied and practiced business skills with Focal Point Coaching Organization and Brian Tracy. I learned to be a digital marketer with Jeff Walker's Product Launch Formula team. I served well over 500 clients, I had to look that up, in workshops and group coaching and one-on-one coaching. I started producing videos. I helped my 2 sons get married, and I welcomed an addition to my family. That's my granddaughter, Ryan Marie. The chapter for 2019 is closed. Decade's over. Done. But you're never too old to start something new. It's true that you can't go back and make a new start. But anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. Because your present circumstances, they don't determine where you can go. They merely determine where you start. Socrates shared the secret to change thousands of years ago. And that's to focus all of your energy, not on fighting the old, but on building and creating the new. Life isn't easy. It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are, to become who you were created to be. Adversity and challenge, they're always going to be around the corner. You can resolve today to not let yesterday or the last decade decide your life for tomorrow. Helen Keller wrote, "Resolve to keep happiness your focus, and your joy shall form an invincible host against all difficulties." What the new year brings to you will depend almost entirely on what you bring to the new year. Life's not about expecting and hoping and wishing. It's about doing and being and becoming. So what are you going to do? Who are you going to be? What will you become in 2020 and your next decade? Take a leap of faith and begin this wondrous new decade by believing. Because if you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. Happy New Year. Cheers to your success.